Hi guys, just having a look at the Sinbel. When I walk up onto the bar strip. Nobody in the splash pools today, that I can see. There was somebody in there the other day. They were in there. Lovely having one of them, I think, especially in the summer. Come back from filming and jump in there, that'd be lovely. We have got our pool though, so we might do with that. Here it is, the entrance. Quite a big place. They got a few rooms in there. Don't know how many offhand. So we're going to find our way up to by the bar strip. Have a walk down there. And then I'm going home. Yeah, we've got to get some uploaded today. Another lovely day in Benidorm though. Now we're going to get across this crossing. I knew that was going to happen. Just gone red. I'll put it on pause a minute. There guys, got the bulldog there. Got a few in. Right, we'll try and get up on the bar strip now. I should imagine it's got a bit warmer now. I'd say it was in 20, somewhere around there. $21 not far off. The old shopping centre over the road, right at the top of the bar strip now. The Oxo Bar there has reopened. I don't know if it is the Oxo Bar now or somebody's took it over. They obviously moved just before Christmas, I think it was. I'm surprised they moved from there because they used to do really well there. So I don't know if they've retook it back or what's happening with them, to be honest. Rock stars. Might go over and do it on that side, I think. Got a few in. Jumping jacks I'm sure we'll have. Also music, good point in there, mind. Yeah, I was impressed in there. Went there on my birthday. Yeah. There you go, they've got a few in. Sun again. Nobody likes sitting in the shade. You wait a couple of months, they'll all be sitting in the shade. It gets really warm over here. Nobody's return. Yeah, I got a few in. Put music on as well. So, suddenly go silly. You know what's happened, guys? I think I might just blank it out if get copyrighted. Could you change it, put the music on? It does tend to blare out. I haven't got much control over that. My own fault for not watching the videos back. White Star Bar. Yeah, a nice sunny terrace, so I got a few in. Yeah, it's not absolutely full. We've got about half sun on the front there. And yeah, about 2-3 tables maybe in there. I'm sure they've got more inside. So YouTube, I'm just walking past bars, so it gives a break on the music. Hopefully they've all guys. It's better if you can get a bit of the atmosphere on as well. Very nice to see the nightclub area, square, open again. I should imagine that's going to be next month. It's going to start opening up. A bit of luck. As I was saying in a couple of videos, I've said it now, It's more my age at the moment. Not a lot of the youngsters over here. So obviously not such a call for the nightclub area. I'm sure it'll be back as soon as I can. And this might be a bit of a long video as well. I'm going to carry on down a little bit. Rose and Crown there, that's shut at the moment. Good for a good night out. Could have Axon in the back. Yeah, I think a lot of the bars that got Axon have just closed rather than just stopping open for drinks. There are a few bars open still with Axon. Well, not too many, obviously. Put 3 or 4 Axon and you get half a dozen people in the bar. I'm sure it's going to be not worth it. At the end of the month there we start seeing things opening up again, I think. I think it will be looking good for Benidorm this year. Not Rockefeller's there. Shut at the moment, I'm sure that'll be open come March. Tony Scott and Co. If you're in Benidorm at the moment, you want to see Tony Scott, he's down at the Palladium. Can have a look down there. He's a bit like Marmite. You know, I love him or you hate him. We all think he's a good laugh like, but Crown pub there, I don't know if that's open at the moment. I think it is. I think they maybe just open it up at night. Next down you got Hotel California. It's obviously open. Obviously got the sun, so people in. Yeah. 2 pints, €2 in there. Great offer. A bit of a failure, that video that I did there. Supposed to be 10 bars for a tenner, 10 points, but I couldn't find them. I really couldn't find them. Coming down now on Jojos. I think that's still open. Yeah. John and Joseph's, I think that's gone completely. Trying to hurry up a bit now, guys. So gone past the 15-minute mark. Don't forget, if you want to buy us a drink, an ice cream or whatever, I've got the PayPal me underneath. It's getting warmer again, so I'm going to be needing drinks when we're out. Up to you guys, no pressure. Just thought I'd mention it. The other place has got shows on. Told you about the Palladium. I meant to film that when I come past and I forgot. We know where this place is. Fans of Benidorm will. All good stabbing. And that shows where the filming was done. Guys, you're coming to Benidorm, make sure you go in. Yeah. I was expecting something totally different when I went in. First time we did it this year. No, last year, sorry. Looked like it is on the show. They've done that up really well for filming. Never believe what you see on TV. Yeah, I was expecting it to be something like that. Anyway guys, we're near enough 19 minutes now. I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe as normal. It's important to get out to more people. And if you want to see more from Benidorm, watch the next one coming up in the card. There's a few on there. I think there's 21 videos on there. Great if you can watch all them. It's all the ones that got loads of views as well, so hopefully that'll be good. Anyway guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.